How we doing, everybody? So I hope that you all, like the new intro. Just want to change it up a little bit, and I kind of want to talk about that a little bit. Going forward from here, I've taken some time off. Going to kind of revamp things. On my channel, you're going to see more recipes. I'm going to start doing reviews of other people's recipes. The interviews are still going to be there. I'm going to change the format of those a little bit, I believe. And of course, the advocacy stuff. Now, like I said, I just wanted to kind of go back and freshen things up, take some time off, but I'm back at it. So today's recipe, pineapple gummy candy. I wouldn't necessarily call it a pineapple gummy bear. I think the pineapple is too strong in it for that. However, I think it's very good. Now, my initial mix of this, I mixed it right at 2 months ago. The pineapple has hung in there. It did fade a little, but it is still present. It doesn't fade as much as like Capella's Golden or some of the other pineapples. So this one kind of hangs in there. Let's take a look at this recipe. Okay, Capella's 27 Bears. To me, that does have a slight pineapple note to it. That can be covered up, like if you wanted a raspberry or whatever flavor gummy. And that pineapple note is just going to help brighten those fruits, okay? But that flavor there, it's really, it really does have that gummy texture to it. And on the exhale, you get that powdery feeling in your mouth, like what's on the outside of the gummy bears. The blood orange champagne is to help support the pineapple note. Vape Train pineapple juice at 2%. That's the pineapple, y'all. I really like this pineapple. It's not too sweet, not too tart, and it seems to stick around. Like I said, it hung in there for 2 months. The Vape Train raspberry jam. Now, I added that to give more of a jammy, gummy texture to it. Once this steeps, you really cannot taste, at least I can't taste that raspberry jam. If you don't have this raspberry jam, I love it. It's a good raspberry flavor. It does have that jelly, jammy feeling to it. You even get a little bit of the seeds from it. And then, super sweet is optional. I think it needs it. It is a candy after all. So that's that. I mean, that's what I got on this. Let's mix it, shall we? Okay, so here we are. Gummy candy. I haven't changed the label on it. It's pineapple gummy candy. Now, I do want to point out something, okay? This liquid is cloudy. It will stay cloudy the entire time. It will not clear up. It's some sort of interaction between the citrus and the pineapple. Like I said, it just turns cloudy, but it is really good. Let's give this a taste. Vaping this on my drop dead, 0.1 ohms at 83 watts. Okay, right off the bat, it is slightly harsh. Not like razor blades to your throat, just little pinpricks maybe. But you get that pineapple, you get the gummy texture, you get that dry feeling left in your mouth. Personally, I think this is best after a 3 to 4 week steep. It's good now. I can vape it all the way through. Like I said, the last bottle, I made 120 milliliters, and I vaped it for 2 months, almost to the day. It was two days short of 2 months. But anyway, yeah, give it a try, y'all. Let me know what you think. Links will be in the description. It'll be on all the flavors, ELR and VAPEDISH. If you make it, leave a comment somewhere. Let me know what you think of it. If you like it and you still want to change it, if you try to change it and you like your version better, let me know so I can mix that. That's how we learn, okay? Let's do this together. Until next time, y'all, stay safe, keep on trucking, and as always, keep on vaping.